everyone, so in today's video I'll be showing you how to set player health in Roblox Studio. So first of all, we opened our game development and then just go here to start your player, click on this add button, choose Humanoid. After choosing Humanoid, just go here to the view in the toolbar, click on properties. Let's click on it another time and this will pop up for you. Let's make it a little bigger. After that, just scroll down to the bottom, and as you can see, we have here max health and health, and you can modify that, let's say to, I don't know, to 5,000, and we can make this to 5,000 also. So that's all. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button for more tutorials.